Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Fitness AI Gym Workout Planner app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Fitness AI is a smart workout planning app designed to help users build personalized gym routines using artificial intelligence. Available on both iOS and Android, the app generates strength training programs based on your goals, experience level, and equipment availability. It also adapts your plan over time by analyzing your progress, performance, and consistency. The main feature of Fitness AI is its automated workout generator. It creates sets, reps, and progression targets for each exercise without requiring you to plan manually. You can track each workout, view progress charts, and receive recommendations that adjust as your strength improves. The app focuses on evidence-based training, emphasizing progressive overload and structured programming to help users stay on track. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about real-world use. Many users appreciate its simplicity. You open the app, follow the routine, and let the AI handle the planning. The automated progression system helps users stay consistent and avoid guesswork at the gym. The clean interface and detailed exercise library also make the app more user-friendly, even for beginners. However, there are some drawbacks. The app requires a subscription to access full features, and the free version is limited. Some users feel the AI recommendations can become repetitive or lack flexibility for advanced training styles. The app is also most effective for standard gym equipment. Those working out at home may find fewer tailored options. Additionally, occasional syncing or logging issues have been reported. In summary, the Fitness AI app may be worth using if you want a simple, automated workout plan that adjusts over time, clear progression tracking, and a structured gym routine without needing to program everything yourself. However, if you prefer customizing your workouts heavily or don't want to pay for a subscription, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.